All right, we're uh we're recording. Um, so it's been a while since I recorded. This probably isn't gonna have too many. There's not gonna be much editing, but there might be like some cuts, like occasional cuts, like if something's taking too long. It's been a while since I recorded, so long in fact that I think the last time I recorded Invincible Season 3, I was still waiting for the finale. Like, I posted the video like 2 days ago. But I wanted to post this. Now, I will not lie, I have reacted to, the stuff. But I wanted to, like, archive this, and just in case for whatever reason, if someone wants to see my reaction. I don't know, maybe down the line I get a couple subscribers and people are like, oh, I play this game and I remember this. So then they just play and they see my, well, not really reaction. It's kind of like an archive, I guess. I don't know. But with commentary, shitty commentary. But I'll be also be going over like the event, in my opinion on it. Oh, there we go. But yeah, as I was saying, I this will probably just be like an archive for this sort of shit, just in case this doesn't come back. Um, but I'm gonna be honest. Wait. Am I whispering? Wait. Wait. Oh my god. Sorry, I had to sneeze. I think this is pretty good. Like this is really good. Like it's like on the easiest difficulty for some reason. It's not on like standard. I guess like in case like new players play the game, I don't know. But yeah, I thought this was pretty good as like an event. By the way, there is nothing down here as far as I'm concerned. Except that guy. He's a bit nutty in the head. Um, but yeah, I thought this event was pretty good, you know? I missed a jump scare. this Oh, Jesus Christ, I need to talk. I thought this event was pretty good. Like it's probably like the best part two to an event, because usually it's literally just like, hey, so here's part two to the event. Like nothing. There's like nothing to it. Because like if you've done all of the tasks, it's like cool. But why should I care? You know? Also, that is so weird to Jesus. That is so weird to see. Who shuts the door? Nobody. I wish you could do something about these, like these doors. But I guess, like, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of, like, this is very reminiscent to the first game, if you ever played Outlast 1. I think it's pretty reminiscent to the bleak halls. It's a sink? No. What is this, then? Is this just, like, poo water? Because there's a sink right here. This bitch doing dishes? Why did I say it dishes? Why did I say it like that? Lighthorn. Also, I have a man's voice. The fuck? Police station, orphanage first floor, courthouse second floor, courthouse first. Yeah. That's all I have to say is yeah. Like, this is the best part 2 for an event, just because something actually just happened. It's not just like there's new lore, there's a whole new fucking area, and I feel like this area is here to stay. Like, it's pretty big. It's a pretty fucking big area. Like, I feel like a lot of resources went into this just for it to, like, go away instantly, you know? Repower the machine. The only way is out through A what? What does it say? Pressure lies below. Find the fuel. I think there's like crazy guys here. I want to try and look for one.
Watch your ass. Shit, careful. Thanks, Bob.
Okay, nothing new. I don't play as males in this game, so I don't know if... Hey, that's the community thinking she'd be here. Idiot. Shit, I don't know what to talk about. You can tell I haven't recorded in a long time. Cause, like, even though, let's be honest, my shit was not, like, it's not that engaging as of right now. You know, maybe I'll get more engaging, more like, oh, this guy's cool, I'll watch him. Maybe I'll get more like that in the future, but, like, as of right now, I don't know, bro. As of right now, there it is. I'm not too engaging. Like, most of the time, I'll be talking about something. I'll be, like, telling a fucking story. And then I'll get interrupted by something once. And I'll talk about it for, like, 2 seconds. And then I'll just completely fucking forget the other thing I was talking about. Let me see my headset. Like, that's a big problem I have with the game right now. Not with the game. With recording. I'll just go on a complete different fucking tangents. No. Look for my mark. So for this, I was so confused at first, but you have to look for the A. Like, what? So over here. Oh. I never noticed. I never realized this was an area. Yeah, right here. I should have probably recorded this when I, first started doing this, I don't know why. I don't know why I didn't think that. Like, I unironically, that never crossed my mind to record it so I can see my initial reaction. So I'm just like, oh, I remember when this event was a thing. And I remember when I first did this. Let's see how I reacted. Cause I don't remember how I reacted. Nope, I'm gonna fucking forget that shit. Okay, there should be stairs over here? No, over. Oh, over here. They're literally illuminated. And now I think I can press this button. Wait, can I lock this? No. But yeah, it's really cool to see like the back rooms. I can't fucking take myself seriously saying that, but it's really cool to see like the back area of the facility or facilities. I just said facility 3 different times by pluraled the last one. Oh, you okay, bud? Wait, did it take away my shirt? Am I naked? Yeah. Wait, I was female when I did this and I was naked and I never noticed? What the fuck, man? That's fucked up, game. I'm not even informed. Kind of reminds me of the first game. Like, this is very reminiscent to the first game. I'm gonna keep saying that. And I know it's gonna get really annoying, but this is very reminiscent to the first game. Okay. Good for me, I guess. With the, whole fucking layout of it, and, the sounds are pretty, like, the music is really similar. Is there anything this way? Right, no. Huh? Uh-huh. Can I have a piece? I just want to listen to the song for voice lines. Skip to here. It's actually, I'm sure I've already put a timestamp up. Okay, you're just repeating the same shit. Can you take another bite? Okay. Don't want to get caught by her, you know? I'm not really in the the mood, you know. Also, why are you biting the mouth? I mean, I'm sure they could have gotten, like, so fucked up to where their teeth is, like, in their head. Well, yeah, teeth go in your head, dumbass. But, this place has blank days without a lost time accent. The best previous record, blank days. Do your part. Help make a new record. Are those signs actually a thing? Like, I've never been in a factory, so, you know, I couldn't tell you. Also, that's kind of a waste of a bandage. Oh, wait, no, fuck. Fuck, my prescriptions are gone, so that won't do anything. Also, all of these doors are locked. I tried them all. Oh, never mind. I think some of them are gone, though. If I'm being honest. Like, some of my prescriptions are gone. There's nothing right there. I don't know which ones, though. Can't really check. Oh, shit, Rory. Okay. We're already at the meat. Wait. Do you get over there? I don't think you can get over there. Alright. Time for the fucking real game to begin. What do you call me? Woman? What? Well, that's not a door. I thought that was a fucking door. Silly me. I don't know, but I'm a man. Mummy? I don't know. Ho no, you're so skinny, I can't pin you.
Shit, careful.
There we go. I'm gonna have to push this. Can I pull? Sorry, I'm being quiet. I'm just trying to not get a concrete rebarb so far up my ass. You know? Like, I'm sure someone on the planet Earth would just fucking love that. Like, dreaming of that. Like, I'm sure that has happened to someone.
I don't think she'd even know me anymore.
No, probably not. You're like 800 feet tall. But you're also like probably 120 pounds. So I'm gonna be cruel, but I'm gonna be honest. No, she wouldn't. I will jump out this fucking window like a psychopath if you come up here. Because she can come up here. I've seen her do it. It's terrifying. Go this way. Then in here. And go through here, right? We go through here. We open this. Bam. Bam. Speedrunner. Speedrunner. Then you go in here, right? Well, bam. Right, and then you go out. Go out. Pull this. That somehow opens that. When I say this, I'm not... Excuse me? Get the fuck out of here. You're not even supposed to be in here. Okay, scared the fucking shit out of me. I did not expect to see a... You don't expect to see that every day. You know? Like a 10-foot woman holding a concrete rebar looking at you through a window, you know? Luckily, or unluckily, depending on who you are, is on introductory difficulty.
I'm not angry. Just lonely. You can't hold your heart. Watch your ass.
Did my voice just change?
Man, shouldn't be so cold.
I mean, it gets...
Get me down here. I need careful.
Is it open any slower? Ow, fuck, I hit my finger on the table. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't get a good look at this area because I thought she was down here. It's like a multiplayer thing, no? I never got a good look at the mines. Or whatever. Because I thought you'd have to like stealth, so I was like, oh fuck. Not again. Oh. That's really embarrassing. What happens if I fall down there? Oh, well, I guess we're finding out. Oh, I'll fucking tell you. Nothing. So... Damn, wait, are we just under that mountain? And there I go. Oh wait, no, I probably won't be naked as a woman. I think I had like a sports bra on. Also, that's it. That's it. It's the whole ending. Yeah, that's about it. See ya. I found out something. So remember when I said, yeah, that's it? That's not it. No, that's not it. Um, whatever part of the grinder you take, it'll lead you to a different area. I'm not sure if it's every time or if it's just two. If it's just two, then I won't keep this video. I won't keep this in the video. If it is two, I will. So I'll be back when I'm going into the grinder. Alright. So after about 5 minutes of pure silence, we are back. Now, I believe I took this one. So I'm just gonna be safe and take this one just in case I took that one on the end. And I just go to the same one again. But this does give me hope that this does stay, because I think this is too cool to just like go away like in 2 weeks, you know? Like imagine if like Call of Duty's Call of Duty had like also why is my dog barking? Uh Sorry. I do hope that this does give like this does give me hope that this will stay, because there's way too much effort put into this just for like this to go away immediately. Like and it's just far too cool. Like even though people are like, yeah, it's a bit underwhelming, and to an extent, yeah, it is. But also yeah, I have bandages. That explains it. Um, excuse me. This just gives me like hope that this does stay. Like maybe it could be like for a prestige system or something like that. And so like you can still rebirth, but like you can also prestige with this. Because this is completely different. Nothing. Oh! Yeah, I was looking up here. And then yeah, I jump down over here. And then I go in here. And then yeah. Alright. Now no, I have to do this again. Give me 10 seconds. Gonna talk?
Son of a bitch, I think this worked. Welcome to the garbage shuttle. I'm sorry for the smell. If we survive this, you're gonna want to find some penicillin quick. This gets you as close as I can to an old biohazard disposal. It's a way out. Look for daylight and don't stop for anything. We're getting the fuck out of here.
Alright, we're done. Again. I'm gonna go with the far right one. This time. Then I might go that way. I'll probably go that way just for you guys. But yeah. This does give me hope that it stays for like maybe prescription. Oh my god, Jesus Christ, I'm choking. For a prestige system. Yeah, I got something like this. Yeah, I did this one, but that's okay. I'll do it for you. For you guys. Cause I love you all. Never mind, I didn't do this one. Hello? Help me. Help me. Can I open this? Blocked from the other side. Oh crap, guys. I took the wrong way, didn't I, huh? Oh, wait, I'm stupid right here. And they're doing doctor. Huh. Okay, so this does show that they were using this wing before. Yeah, I was right down there. Like, like over here-ish. I'm gonna guess this is blocked, and then this is also blocked. So yeah, eeny, meeny, miny, mo is pointless. Oh, and then... Yeah, and then you go up. Yeah. Then I'll show this off for you guys. I don't like the angle I'm at. Can I pin you from down there? No? But I feel like they'd keep this. Like Markov would be like, we got Henrietta, we got reagents that are fucking psycho down here. So what if someone escapes? Never went over here, probably because there's nothing over here, right? Okay, it's going on for a very long time. Hey, give me 2 seconds. What is it just a dead end? Yeah, I feel like it goes on for very long. I'm too lazy to turn the... Holy shit, I'm turning the brightness down. Okay, there we go. Yeah, then we're over here. And... then... this... Okay, this is the door I was wondering about. So yeah, that's really cool. And I guess I'll show... Oh no, I have to do this one more time. No. Do I want to do it again? Not really, no. But I gotta do it. Well, I don't gotta do it, but I'll do it. Because I'm nice.
You're garbage now. You're outside Murkoff's security concern. All you gotta survive now is, garbage disposal. I'm sorry to say it, but you're about to get dropped in a slaughterhouse septic tank. Hold your nose and head for the light. They can't kill us all.
I think that one Playboy was talking. Fuck you give me the side eye for, bro?
The shuttle stopped early.
Give me 2 seconds. Alright. Finally done. I'm just gonna say it. If you know, just so I don't have to type it in the comments, or not the comments, what am I talking about? In the editing software, you know, because, you know, typing kind of gets to me. If you've been enjoying this, you know, you're like, damn, this is really nice of this guy to, you know, give me a really useless, not even a guide, like just, I won't even call this a walkthrough or a playthrough. I don't know what this is, but showing off all the areas and plus the ending, you know. This guy is cool. I'm gonna give him a subscription. Is it like and subscribe? That's all I'm trying to say. Yeah, but we fall down from there. Now I've already done this one, but there was something that got me. Never walked up over here. Okay, that becomes that would be fucking terrifying. Wait, what? Oh, you think I didn't do this one? That somehow got me. Come back here. Yeah, but we're up there. So it's all connecting. Yeah. So, let's see. I try really hard. I honestly almost made it. But, I think now's the best time to end the video in murky water. Like I said, if you enjoyed, you know, like, subscribe, whatever. And, now, that's actually it. I'll see you all whenever. See ya.